Today we'll be exploring 3D modeling and design. My name is Brittany Dunning, and without further ado, let's get into it. So what is 3D modeling and design? Let's find out. 3D modeling and design is a process of creating objects in a three-dimensional space on a math-based plane, like X, Y, and Z. These represent the volume and the depth in a digital environment with specific software made for creating virtual realistic worlds and scenes. Let's talk a little bit about the history of 3D modeling and design. The journey of 3D modeling and design began with Euclid's geometry, later becoming the coordinate-based math, which are the planes x, y, and z mentioned previously that powered the first digital computers. In the mid-1900s, design was revolutionized during this time, which is when CAD or computer-aided software replaced manual text entry, allowing for real-time on-screen manipulation of objects. Today's tools offer extraordinary detailed digital sculpting that connects the virtual world directly to the physical through 3D printing. Now, let's talk a little bit about some examples of 3D technology and software used to create 3D objects today. For our first software, we have 3D Studio Max, which seems to show up as a leading software for architects and engineers who need top-notch accuracy. Since it's so versatile, it's the go-to for designing detailed industrial components and large architectural structures. The next software we'll talk about is Blender. Blender is an all-in-one tool for solo creators. It's usually a top choice for independent creators due to its flexibility and mostly because it's free. It's definitely my choice for 3D printing just due to being on a budget, and it provides professional results without the cost. You can pretty much do anything with Blender, and you don't have to pay the monthly or yearly fees that come with many other softwares. However, they do have a paid version, but you don't have to go with that. So for our last software we're going to briefly talk about is Cinema 4D. This software is considered one of the fastest ways to get the desired results for your designs. It's also great for TV graphics and visual effects with an easy to learn layout for its interface because the interface that it uses is very user friendly. Next, we're going to touch on a few of the recent developments in the 3D modeling and design world. Many career fields are using 3D technology and softwares, but the three main are healthcare, engineering, and architecture. In healthcare, surgical procedures are performed with improved accuracy, and 3D technology is a must for prosthetics and dental implants and surgery preparation. In the architectural world, 3D technology is important for efficient, error-free building design and to aid in structural visualization. As for the world of engineering, 3D technology is vital for stress testing the parts of machinery and creating machinery that works with precision, aiming for error-free production. Lastly, let's ponder the future of 3D modeling and design technology. So after doing a lot of research, I think that 3D modeling and design technology holds a very bright future ahead, especially as it becomes more incorporated as a necessity in fields like healthcare, engineering, and architecture. This technology has come a long way from where it began, and it's getting to a point where the average family could tremendously benefit from using it with proper instructions. Eventually, this 3D technology will lead to making everyday life easier for everyone who uses it. Hopefully you enjoyed this presentation and gained a little insight into 3D technology. Until next time, thank you for watching.